Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we've got this DIY Parkside Vice that I picked up yesterday for $9.99. You could argue that this is not a real vice, and that argument is valid, but I found a very good use for this very basic piece of equipment. Right out of the box, and just see fully what we get here. Just want to just wrap it a bit. There we are. That's the ticket. That's what we get. The instructions, vice, and another clamp that you can put on it. Yeah. Right, that's clamped onto the bench now. That's only like a 3 inches wide jaws. They're calling it a 50mm. The threads aren't running really smooth, I'll be honest with you. It's got the rubber jaws. That's on there, you know. The use I have found for this, and if you watch my channel, you will be familiar with this here. It seems like a great clamp for putting batteries together. The rubber jaws make that perfect, so that's a good job. I wouldn't like to use this in anything heavy because you can actually, even as tight as I've clamped that, you can still move it around the rubber thing. It's only for very, very light use. The next thing is this clamp. In order to put this clamp on, you have to slacken that and take your thread piece all the way out. Once you remove that, there's another screw underneath here. You gotta slacken it too. Allows you to remove that whole thing. Then you slacken this one. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. You have your piping clamp there, which is a nice feature. Definitely, there'll definitely be use for that. So is this Parkside Vice a real vice? Maybe not, but it's going to be incredibly useful to me for the purposes I've just shown. And at $9.99, could you go wrong? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.